Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Hyundai. Okay, it could be almost any Hyundai guys with automatic transmission, especially 6-speed automatic transmission has been used between year 2009 to currently year 2022 guys. If you have check engine light or transmission light and you have guys a code, any of these codes such as P0720, 721, 722 or 723, stay with us, we'll explain most likely how to fix that common mistake people make, and in most cases it will take you a few minutes to replace and fix that part and fix your transmission. Not too complicated, but you need to be careful with a few things. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out guys the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get you can get all the tool supplies from, and you can save yourself quite a bit of money. We have that Hyundai transmission taken completely apart. That transmission, fun fact about it, okay, you can find it on any Hyundai vehicle from anything such as 1.2 engine to 4.0 engine guys. It will just have different torque specs and horsepower specs. For instance, clutches will be different sizes, okay. Some things may differ very slightly, but the design, okay, is practically based on that one. Now, if you look at that transmission guys, we took it completely apart. If you need to scan transmission, engine codes, any codes in your Hyundai vehicle guys, this is the scanner to go with. I will put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price and features, but it works on any car you can think of. It's amazing too that can pay itself off in one-time use. Here is Hyundai guys, and it's very convenient scanner. So what you will need to do, you need to drain your transmission fluid. We have the video on the channel. Also we have a video that explains how often to change the transmission fluid on Hyundai so you don't destroy your transmission. Check it out. Then you need to remove the oil pan, and this is next your transmission valve body. That's what shifts the gears guys. You have the different solenoids, and that's the valve body. We have a video, if you want to check it out, how to remove or replace transmission valve body on Hyundai. It will teach you step by step how to remove everything up to here. It will take you probably less than 10 minutes. Once you do that, once you remove it, you get to the clutches. That's the clutch pack right here. And right here on the clutches you have two sensors that are known as speed sensors, okay. Now you need two of them. One is for the input, one for the output shaft. And if the value between those two differ more than 200, I believe, RPMs, then the computer will throw a light and say that you have guys code between 720 and 723. Which one is that? This is the input speed sensor, this is the output speed sensor. Most likely you have a problem with that sensor right here. Now, in order to remove and replace it, in most cases, it will come together with the other one. You remove the wiring harness from here, remove the two sensors, and you're ready to go guys. Put everything together. Later, make sure you use original transmission fluid only. The transmission filter, in most cases, you cannot replace it unless you take the whole transmission apart. And something else guys, check out the video how often to change the transmission fluid, and it will talk to you why you may need to change it up to 3 times if you're not familiar with that. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.